this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Indonesia. This is Mie Sedaap cup. This is a selection. Korean spicy chicken. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Let's make this happen. So, got our cup. We got our boil. There we go. Oh my God. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. Naked cupboard. I think it's 3 minutes. Let me check for sure. 4 minutes. Okay. Turn this off. Set you right. So how's your day going? It's going pretty good for me. Let's do our quote of the day. And this will get done really quick. Wow, I still have 45 minutes until she's got school, and this is the third review of the day. That's crazy business. And I'm not really like flying, like going I'm doing it at like a relatively relaxed pace. Quote of the day from Momofuku Ando, the guy who invented the instant noodle fort, today is in number 242. In Japanese, we say clothing, food, and shelter, but the order should really be food, clothing, and shelter. I can get with that. I would almost go to say food, shelter, and clothing because it seems more that clothing is a form of shelter, I guess. But, yeah. Yeah, a set of 3 varieties today that I'm doing. All 3 have to be drained. I didn't even realize that or think about it really, but that's kind of the deal. You got to drain all 3 of them. First was a Filipino variety called Bihun Gusado, where you drain it and stir it up, kind of like Indomie, kind of like pancit. The next one was these Pakistani rainbow noodles, darak. Yeah. And those you have to drain like pasta. Those were weird. They had like a really sweet smell to them, but they weren't exactly sweet, but it's like the kind of thing when you take a bite of it, it kind of like that sweet scent kind of travels through your olfactory, just not to your tongue. And then this one, which is going to be ultra spicy, and of course since it's a stir noodle. The lid from this one actually has a drain spout on it, but I'll just use a strainer because that's how I do. I'm gonna give it a little push. It's probably pretty much all done already. But it comes with, okay, here's your standard powder sachet. Here's your oil. This looks pretty mean. You've got some fried onions. And then you've got this. And I think this is where it's going to blow my head off. We have pedas lazat and pedas gila. So there's peppers 1 and peppers 2. And of course all of that's going to go in. And then you won't see me taste it in this because this is going to be a mukbang. So I'm going to have to get everything all set up over there, and that I think might be where I start running into the time constraint, but hopefully not. But we'll see how it goes. I think I'm going to be good. The big timer constraint, of course, is going to be the editing, because that I've got unboxing. I've got an episode of The Chocolate Break. I'm still working on the top 10 list. Oh, I can't. I have to finish that top 10 list before I even edit it. Wow. I made kind of like a template. And so what I do is when I'm doing the editing, what I do is I just leave stuff in place, and then that I just snap out certain pieces and I let it snap. What do you call it? It kind of conforms. You know what I mean. And even if you don't, you know what I mean. It's for you to know and me to find out. Right? So I found a trick with this camera. So it's been overheating. So what I do is I make sure it's like as soon as... No, we don't need that alarm anymore. Yeah, we got 40 minutes to go. When I'm done doing like this video, I'm gonna shut the thing off like 100% because I think part of what's going on, I've got the video going on my phone, so, you know, the live preview, which is like super helpful for what I do, but I think that angers this thing and makes it hot too. So yeah, with that Pakistani one, I just ended up, I threw some adobo seasoning on it after I took all the pictures and gave it a taste. It's not bad. It's pretty good. But yeah, I won't be tasting this right now, although I'm dying to, but yeah, this will get done up for the mukbang. That looks pretty angry. Come on, get out of there! There you go. Okay. And then, oh yeah, let's just stir that up. I've had Korean style hot, I mean, this is going to be like a bulldog style thing. I guess. But it will be definitely Indonesian Korean style because it comes with fried onion. Okay, so let's check out these sachets. I don't know if they're different varieties. Doesn't look like it, or it doesn't feel like it, rather. Let's do this one. There's that, and I want to do the other one. This one came from Evergreen Oriental Grocery up in Everett, Washington. They had a neat variety of items up there. It looks like it's just more of the same. But there's our little mountains of... There's Mount Doom right there. Wow, this looks crazy. I could put an egg on it. I could do a lot of stuff to this, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna leave it as is for the mukbang. All right. I'm trying to think of the last time I did a mukbang, and it's been a while. But it's time. I'm due. It's the right season for it, because I gotta do stuff for the top 10 spicy list, and I don't think I've had anything really that would fit into that list anytime recently, so. Oh, but I'm doing the lists later in the year. I forgot about that. The top 10 spicy comes out later. Because I had so many people go, you should have that come out more in the winter time when it's cold. I'm like, really? I always think like hot and spicy, summer, barbecue, ultra hot, finger licking, you know? I guess I'm in the minority on that. And now we got the fried onion. And there it is. All right. All right, let's do this. Quick rotato and then time to eat. Yeah. All right, well, next stop is Spicy Hell. So thanks for watching. If you like this, subscribe, do everything you can, and enjoy. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.